have nothing against her, really. I don't.
Thank you.
No, what bothers me is just, why does she hate me that much?
The same reason she has been giving you from the very first day. You are poor. Yes. She hates poor men. As in, she hates them so much.
Then why would she come and collect money from a poor man? No, why would she mischievously come and collect money from a poor man? If she doesn't like me as a poor man, she shouldn't like my money. Why would you come and collect money from me mischievously saying you're going to come back? No, that's wrong now. Why? I mean, why would you collect from the little I'm managing?
Chike, if I tell you what happened that day, you won't believe it. Linda is too worried. You deserve better. You don't in any way deserve a girl like Linda. Chike, you are a very nice person. You're a good man. From the very first day that I set my eyes on you, I liked everything about you. Yet, and then when I started seeing how loving and caring you are to the wrong woman, I was like, can God bless me with this kind of a man? Hey, listen, I don't have any problem with your financial status right away. Yes, I don't. I just want you to know that I, Joan, will stand by you, encourage you, and we can build a great future together. All I'm asking for is just that chance. Let me be that woman. Chike, I really love you. I love you so much. Wait.
Is this the reason for this meeting?
Yes. I just want to tell you, my mind, as in how I feel about you. I love you. You're my dream man, Chike. Believe me, you are.
Have a nice day.
Oh my God. He hates me. God. What led me to this? I have never been embarrassed all my life like this. I can't believe this.
Oh yeah, man we no get money. You see she do, you see she do. Man we no get money.
Linda, what is going on now?
No, what is it? How may I help you?
Wait, are you asking me how may you help me? Linda, you're asking me that question. Wait, after coming to my shop to come and collect money and say you're going to come back, you're asking me that question?
I can see you don't have problem.
Linda, come back here. What is wrong with you?
Are you mad? No, how dare you lay your filthy hands on me? No, are you mad? Boss, wait. Did you just slap my boss? Did you just slap my boss? Are you mad? Excuse me. Who is this thing?
Moatin, come here. What came? I'm talking to you like anything. How dare you? How dare you?
Did you just touch me?
Yes. I'm sorry she humiliated you publicly. I'm sorry about that, sir.
Why did you fight her?
Boss, you expected me to fold my hands and watch her? Like, allow her to go after slapping you? Never! Never! Ha! It can only happen behind me. Anybody that tries to disrespect you or humiliate you in my presence will have me to contend with. Ogenede, who is she? What can she do? Am I going to go get bleaching cream? Ha! She's not trying to. Nobody should try it with me. What is that? Look at it. Oh. I respected you, boss. I respected. If not, I would have given her all the sand in that area to eat. Can you imagine? She doesn't have home training. I'll train her myself.
Oh my God. Babes, can you imagine? Can you imagine that hungry-looking girl had the nerves, the guts, is her guts for me to lay her filthy hands on my face? Like, does she know how much my organic cream costs? No, I don't even want to talk about my facial cream. My God. By the time I'm done dealing with her, she would regret ever laying her filthy hands on me. Hungry-looking girl serving a hungry-looking boss. They both suit each other. Yalla.
Linda, can you please let this matter slide? I mean, there's no point you fighting.
I should let what slide. I should let that local champion get away with slapping me. Hell no! I gave her my word that I will let her feel my wrath. It's on God, and I must make sure I fulfill that promise. It's yours.
So, what is Ali going to do?
Of course, I'm going to get her arrested. I will get her ass arrested as soon as possible. I will make her spend a day or two in the police cell. That way, she will learn never to touch the tail of a tigress.
Now they will tell the police how you came, took their money and failed to return it. Oh yes.
With what evidence? They have no evidence to back it up. And even if they do, I am going to deny it straight away.
Even if you deny it, it is the truth. And the truth always has a way of winning at the end. So I suggest, let this slide. Let it go. Please.
Juan, you want me to let that idiot get away with slapping me? Oh my God. It's fine. Even if I'm going to let it slide, it will be because of you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Because I know my paths and that hungry church rats, chicken, would never ever cross again in this life. Nothing will make him see me and come talk to me again. That bridge has been burnt forever.
Now you're talking. That way, they have collected back their money through hot slap. Sorry.
My sister, is the truth now. Naim. I don't use slap, take pay for the money.
I swear. This girl wants to read.
What gave that girl the right to slap you?
Brother,
Eh?
I just don't know.
Hey.
I don't know.
But that serves you right. If you had listened to my advice, all this wouldn't be coming up.
James, it's not too late yet.
It's too late though, because the deed has been done and it cannot be changed. Eh? It's too late. Eh? How can you be told that a girl slapped you on the street? A dirty slap, a hot slap for that
It's
matter.
okay now.
Yeah?
It's okay.
It's
okay now.
Yeah? Why? For that matter.
I said it's okay now. Do you want to make me feel worse than I am now?
I feel bad though, because if you had listened to me, a woman cannot raise her hand and say why didn't it? Yeah? And I
It's okay now.
What's that?
It's okay.
And I call again. Yeah? Why?
I said it's okay now.
Why? so angry because.
Please, let's just discuss something else, please.
It's annoying. It's annoying. Okay, my brother. I'll come and pick you up when you're done for today. Okay? I'll come pick you up.
Thank you.
Meanwhile, sorry for the humiliation. I mean, the slap.
I'm heartbroken.
I know, but it's okay. It's okay. I'm not a very hot slap, but
I'm not even.
Well, later now.
Are you okay, sir? Sir?
Fine.
If you are hungry, I brought some of the food I prepared in the house. It's in the food flies. If you want to eat, I can bring it for you.
I'm fine. Just.
Sir? Sir? Boss! Somebody help! Neighbors! Neighbors! Sir? Boss! I don't know exactly what the problem is. He came in looking dull and dizzy. I tried to find out what the problem was, but he slumped. Yes, I brought him to the hospital. We are at the hospital now, but I don't know what is going on. I've not seen the doctor or the nurses attending to him. I don't know what is happening. I don't know what is wrong with him. Hey, Jesus. Hey. Okay, let me call you back. The doctor is here. Thank you. Doctor.
Calm down. There's no need to panic. There's no cause for alarm.
Thank God. So, doctor, you're saying there's no complication of any type?
Absolutely. There's no problem. It's just stress. He needs rest, and he's resting now.
Thank God. Thank you, doctor. Please, can I see him now?
Of course. Come with me.
Thank you.
You're still here?
Yes.
Why not go home and rest? He will be fine.
Who will take care of him?
What are we doing here? We have a lot of personnel to take good care of him.
Sorry, nurse, but I'm not complaining. I'll not leave him alone. I'll be here and I'll take care of him.
Okay.
I couldn't find your phone. I checked, but I couldn't find it.
I think I must have left it in James' car.
Maybe, sir, because it's not here.
Okay. You should be worried by now. You will call him for me. Let me give you his number.
Sir, it's very late to call. Should be around 2 a.m. or thereabout. It's very late, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
And you're still here?
Sir, I couldn't have left you all by yourself.
Thank you. Thank you.
I mean, how blind have I been? Searching for something in a faraway estate. When what I had was just within my reach, within my space. Ah, God. Ah. Amara, thank God. Thank God you came to me. God, thank you for bringing Amara to me. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Sir, I hope there is no problem, sir. Okay, sir, I'm here. I'm at the gate, sir. I'm entering inside now, sir.
Man, we no get money. He dey see shit though. He dey see shit though. Man, we no get money. He dey see shit. He dey see shit. Man, we no get money. He dey see shit though.
Sir?
He dey see shit though. Man, we no get money. He dey see shit.
How blind have I been not to see the light? How deaf have I been not to hear the words of the universal wisdom? For a long time I've searched for love. I've climbed mountains, gone through seas, gone through turbulence. But the more I searched for love, love eluded me. The love I've been searching for has always been in front of me. I know I might not be rich, but I have a big heart. A big heart filled with love to accommodate you and I. Please. go on this journey of life with me? Would you hold my hand together? Let's build an empire together. Would you marry me? Please.
From the first day I set my eyes on you, I fell in love with you. But there was a battle. Your attention was stolen by someone else. And I prayed to God. I prayed to God to win this battle. And here I am. God answered my prayer. Yes. Yes, I will marry you.
And I will love you with everything I've got, with everything I own. I'm gone.
If I may understand you very well, you said that the man that will be coming to marry you will come here next week, Sunday, for introduction, right?
Yes, Uncle.
Have you discussed with your mother that they will be hosted here instead of your father's house?
Yes, Uncle.
May I know why?
Uncle, it's a personal reason. Please do it for me, please.
Well, I just wanted to know. But since you said it's a personal reason, I will do it for you.
Thank you, Uncle.
After all, I'm the man and the father you are seeing now. Your late father was my brother, and I am here representing him.
Thank you, Uncle.
That's great. Then tell them to come, that we are ready.
Thank you, Dad. Thank you. Thank
All
you.
right.
Thank you.
That day is...
I have told my people that you'll be coming on Sunday for the introduction.
Well, I hope you told them I'm not a rich man. And I don't have the kind of money for the kind of occasion, the kind of introduction they'll be expecting.
You don't need to bother yourself. Normally, my place, introduction is not such a big deal. You just need to come with 2 of your family members and friends, then we will prepare what we can afford to entertain you. That's all.
If it's that one, I'll try. At least. I will get 1 bottle of nice wine, then 1 crate of beer, 1 crate of malts. Then I will try to get at least 1 other crate of mineral, if it's possible.
That's if you want. Like I said, it's not a big deal, so don't bother yourself.
Okay. My baby. Don't worry, everything will be fine.
I can't wait.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
You're welcome. Be seated. Be seated, sir.
We are very sorry. We actually forgot what we brought for you people in the boot of the car. Let's go.
Don't worry, don't worry. Let us first serve you with our cola as tradition demands. After, you can now go for what you have. We enjoy it together.
Yes.
Hey, Amara, where is this girl? Amara!
Let me go and call her. I think she's still busy in the kitchen.
Say her to bring the cola.
Amara!
Because the in-laws are here. None. The journey has been saved.
Welcome.
Joy.
Jeez. Both of you know each other.
Joy, what are you doing here?
She's my boss. Oh. Cheluko. Hold on, okay.
Wait. Mama's World. Beauty Republic.
Yes. He's the chairman of Chizzy Enterprises Limited. Wait, is this Chizzy?
Please. Can somebody explain to me what is really going on? Wait, are you really her father? Are you? No, I mean, can somebody tell me what's really going on? I don't understand.
What just happened? Yes. I don't understand too.
This is so crazy.
I'm confused.
Boss, Amara is not the poor girl you supposed. Yes, she is the CEO of one big beauty boutique in the PH. She's so rich. But why would she do a thing like that? Boss, I don't know. Why? Maybe she's playing the same game which you're playing. I believe she's playing undercover. Yeah. She played the same game. She's playing the same. Boss, she's so rich. She's playing the same.
Amara, so all this has been a disguise, right?
It's not.
I mean, who are these people, right? Okay, you know what? Yes, okay, fine. Same thing we've been doing, all right? We've been play acting. That's it, right?
Can I explain?
No, what are you trying to explain? There's nothing to explain. You know what? This whole charade, this whole play acting, everything, let's call it all off, all right? It's over. Let's forget
Can I explain?
This is over.
James, can you please? Please.
It's okay. It's gonna be fine. Let's just calm down.
Baby, please. Please hear me out.
Look, there's nothing to hear out. Nothing. I wasn't looking for a rich and expensive girl. No. I saw lots of that in Abuja before I came here. I mean, the you I see or I presently know is not the picture I had in my head. Seriously.
I know, but please, hear me out first. Then you can take your decisions and conclusions, please.
Look, there's nothing to hear out. Nothing, because everything was all based on acting. Amara, that's, even if that's your real name.
That's my name.
There's nothing to hear out, really. Look, everything was all based on acting. You were acting, I was acting. I mean, the qualities I fell in love with were all based on acting. You were all acting up. So how can we build a relationship based on falsehood?
Sweetie, they were not acted up. That was me, yes. Apart from the rich side, which I had my reasons.
Boss, you can't just believe what happened today. Let me tell you. Boss, are you okay? Boss, you're crying. What is it? What happened? Is it? Yes, what's the problem? Why are you crying? Joy. Boss. Am I not good looking as a woman? Boss, you're very beautiful and no one can ever deny your beauty. You're beautiful. You have known me for years. Yes. Is my attitude and character not deserving as a woman? Boss, your humility is out of this world. And that is what everyone that comes close to you notices first. Why are you sounding like this? What is it? Why are you crying, boss? Why can't all the men that come into my life see these things? All they see is my money. Is it wrong? Is it a crime for a girl to be rich? Is it? It's not a crime. What happened? Tell me, why are you crying now? What's the problem? Please tell me. It has happened again. Nnamdi is not genuine after all. Are you serious? Hey! I'm heartbroken. Why is this happening to me? What have I done wrong? Why is my own defect? Boss, please. I understand how you feel, please. It's okay. The right man will come to you at the right time. When is the right time? God's time, please. Joy, look at me. I'm not getting any younger. When is the right time? Jesus, God. God's time is always the best. Please, it's okay. It's okay, please. Please stop crying, please. So what happened? Nnamdi is on his way to this place. Okay. He wants to come and collect the check of 15 million naira. Look at the check. I already signed it. Okay, and what went wrong? To me. After we finished discussing on the phone, happily, we were happy. I didn't know he was with his friends. So, when we finished talking, he didn't know that the end call button disappointed him. I didn't end the call either. So, so what happened? So I heard everything they discussed. Against you. I heard everything. He was discussing with his friends about me.
What's happening? Why is everybody too hostile on me this beautiful morning?
Where were you when you called me?
Where else?
I was with my line neighbors in the market, of course.
Line market with your neighbors. Not even with your friends.
Yeah, sure. Is there any problem?
You didn't end the call when we finished talking. So I heard everything you discussed with your friends about me.
Jesus Christ. Maybe please I can explain, please.
Okay.
Explain.
Go ahead and explain. Here's the check. The check of 15 million naira. I know you are here to collect it. So do your explanation right and walk away with this check.
See, babe, like you hear everything?
Everything.
Oh, fuck.
I'm going out. I need some time alone. I need to cool off. Okay?
Oh, okay. Would you want me to go with you?
No, don't bother. I'll call you when I need you. Okay?
Please take care of yourself, yeah? Please.
I will. Where's my driver?
He should be downstairs. He's downstairs.
Alright. Take care of the shop.
It's alright. Take care of yourself, please. Take care.
Man, we no get money. He dey see she do. He dey see she do. Man, we no get money. He dey see shake. He dey see shake. Man, we no get money. He dey see she do. He dey see she do. Man, we no get money. He dey see shake. He dey see shake. And then search from left to right. Nothing what you do go fit seem right. People gonna avoid you just because say you no get money. Hey. Now who get money get mouth? Now who get money go fit the show face? Aye, if you no get money, hide your face. Make you hide your face.
Madam.
Now we no get money.
Hello, madam.
Please,
where are we going? Hello.
I don't even know where I want to go. Just take me home.
Okay, madam.
No, please. Take me to a place where I can relax. I have a lot in my mind. I need to cool off, please.
I will do as you say.
No, see your fine face. What they want is money. If you no get money, make you hide your face. Aye. But now which kind life be this so? Aye. No money, no honey, no money, no love. You joke. If you no get money, nothing for you. Voila. Now we no get money. You dey see she do. You dey see she do. Man, we no get money. You dey see shake it. You dey see shake it. If you no get money, you dey see shake it.
Hello? Can you hear me?
What is it?
What can possibly put a very beautiful girl like you in this condition? What's going on?
Listen. I want to be left alone. We're in a different world right now. Please, leave me alone, please.
No. I'm not gonna leave you alone. I don't usually come here by this time, but something pushed me into coming here. And as soon as I came in, I saw you and I knew something was wrong. Can you just cheer up and tell me what the problem is? Look, I just need a little bit of your time. And I promise you will leave here in high spirits.
Who are you?
My name is Chidi.
Are you a pastor or a prophet?
Oh, come on. I'm a businessman. I import building materials. Can you take a sip or two of your drink and so I can go order mine? It's no big deal. Do it.
Just leave me alone. I don't feel like drinking anymore. Please.
Trust me, you're gonna be fine. Just take a sip, okay? Please, for me, for my sake, okay? Come on, please. Come on, just take a sip. You'll be fine. I promise you. Just take a sip. It's no big deal. All right. Let me get my drink. I understand. Sometimes in life you feel life is against you. Your family, your business, your job, your relationship, your marriage, and even nature. It feels like everything is against you. I know that feeling where everything is just happening all at once. But I want you to understand this. Every problem, every turbulence has an expiring date. It will definitely come to an end.
When will that day be? When will it come to an end?
See, every successful man has a story. And no matter the misery you feel, everything will come to an end. Whatever heartbreak you're feeling, it will come to an end. You will find the right person. Believe me, you will find the right person.
It's not as easy as you make it appear.
I understand. Nothing is easy. But believe me, everything will be alright. I don't want a very beautiful lady like you to come out here and cry out your emotions publicly. If I were you, I'll just pick up the pieces of my heart and heal myself. You have power over yourself. I don't have power over you. Nobody has power over you. Just heal yourself. Make yourself a better person. Come on. You can do this shit. Cheer up now. Cheer up.
Thank you.
Hey, now you're talking. That's my girl.
I feel better now and I think I'll start going home.
Yeah, that's right. You're going in. Don't worry about the bills. I'll take care of that, okay?
Alright, thank you.
Let me give you my card. Okay. Here's my card. Anytime you feel down, you want to talk to someone, okay?
Thank you so much. Here's my own card.
Okay. I'll call you.
Alright, thank you for everything. You are really a godsend. I feel better. Thank you.
Just take care of yourself. Okay?
Alright. Yes. Who is this?
Okay, this is Chidi, the guy you met at the lounge today.
Oh, Chidi. Thanks for reaching out. And thank you for today. Thanks for the words of encouragement. It really lifted my soul.
I'm very happy to hear that. Look, you're a very, very strong lady, okay? You are the architect of your mind, so don't let anything weigh you down, okay? Control your mind and you will succeed, okay?
Okay. I'm a strong girl.
Yes, you are.
I am bigger than any heartbreak.
Yes, you are.
Thank you so much. You're just like a magician. I mean, you came in at the right time. Thank you for everything.
Yes. Look, you can call me anytime you feel like you're down, okay? I'm always here for you, alright? Okay?
I will. Thank you for everything. I appreciate it.
You're welcome, alright? Just have a good night, okay?
Good night. Chidi was my comfort, a shoulder to lean on. He has a way of using words to revive even a dead soul. So forgetting Namde was not such a big deal. I became fond of him. One thing led to the other. We fell in love. And I was happy. We were happy. To myself, I said I found the one because he loves me for me. He didn't come because of my money, because he's well-to-do. So I've always had this, I wanted a big wedding, a societal wedding, a royal wedding. So we started with the wedding plan. But along the line, something happened. One morning, say Easter morning, say 4 a.m. I got a text message.
Stop being hot. Stop. Stop. Oh, good. Stop. Stop.
You're gonna be alright, okay? Look at you.
I'm blushing.
You're the most beautiful woman in the world.
Okay, now you're making my hair swell. Okay, can you stop now?
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, my eyes are still closed.
No, don't open your eyes yet.
They're still closed. Can I open now?
Yes, you can open now.
Okay, I can't wait to see what.
Yes. Please, will you marry me? Come on.
Don't you think this is too early? I mean, it's barely 2 months.
I think we still need some time to get to know ourselves very well.
Babe, look at me. I am very wealthy. I have all the resources and all the means to take care of you. Come on, it's no big deal. Look, right from the very day I met you, I knew destiny smiled upon me. Like, I've been searching for the right one to my heart, but I couldn't find anyone. But when I saw you, I knew you were the right one. Like, no man in his right senses would want to lose a lady like you. Come on. And look, the only reason men broke your heart was because you were destined to be with me. I will treat you right. I will travel with you. I want to explore with you. I want to create perfume memories with you. Please. Just please marry me. Okay? Please. Marry me, okay?
Yes.
You mean that, right?
Yes, I'll marry you.
Come here, come here, come here. Look at you. I love you so much.
I love you too. Oh my goodness. Don't mind these tears of joy. Thank you. Chidi is not real. He has a wife and 3 kids abroad. Run for your dear life. Anonymous. Who is this? Who is this? Switched off. Who is this? Where is this coming from? Why is this switched off?
Yes, Dad. Yes. So you are at the office now?
Yes, I am.
Okay. No problem. Just call me when you're done. I love you.
I will. Take care. Love you.
I love you. Mwah. All right, my love.